Hello and welcome to another update video about Fantom. On the Fantom chart, we can see that the price is still in resistance, but there isn't really any rejection. So I think it is quite likely that we continue to push a little bit higher before a pullback starts. It requires a break below the last swing lows to even start to talk about a pullback, that a pullback could be unfolding. And if a pullback starts, we have a support area to watch. But for now, further extensions seem to be likely, even though the price hasn't really pushed higher since the last update. And that is not a surprise because we had a key level there located at 73.3 cents. The price rallied from a support area I had down here into that target area. And it's a target because the internal structures are ABC patterns and the C wave reached the 100% extension target. And this 100% extension target is a typical target for a C wave, yeah. And price reached it, did get rejected, but we haven't really seen an impulsive move down, which would have been a good indication that a pullback starts, whether that's white wave B or something more bearish. But for now, I'm just simply watching the structure for the next clues. I mean, I don't see anything actionable from a long trade point of view right now. And I think it's clear why, because we're quite far away from a support area. So from an Elliott wave point of view, for a pullback trader trading this time frame, there isn't really much to do, in my opinion. But there are hundreds of ways how you can trade this. You might trade it differently, but from a support area point of view, we are far away from it. Support is between 32 cents and 47.3 cents. However, in this yellow scenario, which is, let's say, more bearish, we have an ABC structure, but I would require some kind of a break of upside momentum to at least get an indication that the white B wave has started, the pullback, maybe something more bearish. A break above 89.06, okay, so let's say 89 cents it is, yeah. A break above 89 cents would shift the probabilities further towards the white count, away from the yellow count, which is bearish. Okay, the yellow count is a wave 2 corrective rally. But again, you know, the move down here looks more like a 3-wave move, so it's not clearly bearish. But I'm simply highlighting where the price could struggle. And it is struggling, okay? The price couldn't get above that 73.3 cent level yet. And if we now start to see some downside momentum that could come in, a break below 61.5 cents, the swing low from Tuesday this week, could be an early indication that we have actually put at least a local top in place. But until we break below that level, there is no indication at all, you know? And it requires a sustained break below 61.5 cents. I mean, a wick below it doesn't really help. So consolidation, next upside levels to watch are 86.8 and here 89 cents. But until we get above that area here, this 89 cent level, the yellow count will show significant risk. But risk is high anyway for the bulls because the support area is now quite far away. That doesn't mean a pullback has to start now. It just means we have some risk levels and it requires actually a break below 31.9 cents. And we're now at 71.7 to indicate that the bears have control. I mean, the yellow count, because until 31.9 cents, technically this could just be a B wave pullback. So it takes a lot of movement to actually prove that the bulls are not, let's say that the bulls are starting to give up, you know, possibly. So that is always an indication of how high the risk is, because it takes so much drawdown to indicate that the local uptrend is pretty much over. Yeah. At least from an Elliott wave point of view, I mean, this uptrend here, the direct move up, you know, will or can be considered complete once we have a 5-wave move down and 3-wave move up. But for the larger move up, it takes a break below support to confirm that this is failing. Yeah, overall, that means in the very short term, I'm watching for a potential break above this 73.3 cent level, and then possibly how the price will react to 86 to 89 cents. At the same time, to the downside, the 61.5 cent level needs to be watched, because a break below it would be an indication that we're starting to head towards the orange support area, and risk is quite high in this current area. That's the update about Fantom. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.